Lucky that I learned this lesson early on. As an employee at a restaurant, which I used to work at, I learned very quickly that the only way that I was going to get a raise was by being the best worker there. So I tried my best to become the best worker there. And you might say, well, I don't want to compete with my coworkers. It's not a competition. But at the end of the day, it is a competition because that money has to go somewhere. Either if you don't provide enough value and someone else does, it's going to go into a different person's pocket instead of yours, and you're not going to make any money. It's a hard truth that you have to know. If nobody provides any more value, it's going to stay in the owner's pocket, and the owner is not going to have a problem with that. So, as an employee, you need to be providing more value every single day. At the restaurant, for me, my goal was to be a better salesman up at the register. My goal was to cook better food so people would come back to the restaurant. Providing the best quality service for your clients applies to this as well. You have to be providing more value to your clients every single day. I live by the motto, over deliver every time. I used to tell my employees, okay, go all out on this video, go all out on this video, but not, I would leave some out. Now I tell them, if you don't go all out on every single video, you are fired. You are off my team because I only provide the best service out there. My 100% belief is that you can only grow a business with word of mouth by providing the best service. And it's not just about the service, it's also about the end result. So you have to continually make a better end result. The only thing that matters to the business owner at the end of the day is how much money is getting put back into their own pocket. So you need to make sure that you're making the business owner more money than you're charging them every single time. And you need to make sure that you're providing the best service every single time. Whether you believe it or not, business owners do notice this. I notice a ton of my team members that go all out every single time, and those are the ones that I give the raise to. If I have some extra money and I'm looking to give somebody a raise, those are going to be the people. Another quick, complete side tangent. If you're an employee and you want a raise, ask for it. Be upfront about it. Say, hey, I need more money. If I'm going to continue to work here, be upfront with it. And if you're providing enough value, it shouldn't be a problem. So I'm going to end off with this. Provide more value and over deliver every single time. So if this video brought you any value, feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know what I should make a new video on next time.